Panda, panda, panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Took the lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the back. Legacies.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you that MSP is lying to us. So, first off, I just want to thank everyone again. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited about getting me to level 22. Let's see if I can get to level 23 really fast. And if anyone has got a drip top, please, I would give you a shout out and I would post a video about the drip top glitch. But if anyone was willing to spare a drip top, please, I'm your girl. Please send me your drip top. I have entered most people's competitions, and I think that I have no idea what I was about to say. Well, let's just get into the video. So we're going to start off in the shop, and then we're going to go to the next page. And then everyone will see this here, right here. Alright, and we're just going to put it in thing. There's a close-up, and there's a close-up on my avatar. And then we go to the next page, and there's this one. We're going to put in the exact same colours. There's a close-up of the hair, and there's a close-up of the hair on my avatar. And if it's like anything that I have heard before, MSP is cheating us. I bought this one because it came out first, right? And then I saw this one when it came out. I'm like, I could have just bought that for cheaper. Like, you've got to be kidding. It's a rip-off. So buy the 350 one if you were going to buy the diamond one. This one's also really close to them, except it's got this little fringe part. And yeah, but this here is great. I love this here. Black or in that red, or in bright red, or in that red, or in any color. I think it just suits almost any color. Let's see if it suits blue or green. It suits blue, and doesn't really suit green. Well, I really don't like any hairs out in the shop at the moment. Like, look at the new themes hairs. Like, you've got to be kidding me. Like, there's this. There's this. There's this. And there's this. Like, you've got to be kidding me. Thank you, Chippy Cookie, for my auto. I appreciate it. And, yeah. So, I'll see you guys next time.